all-in-one academy educators. So in today's class, you're going to see an interesting video related to your competitive exams. It can be NTSE or Olympiad, so whatever the exams you're going across, can banking exam, IAS, KS, whatever. So I already said in the beginning that all the competitive exams related questions or whatever the concepts we're going to discuss in our channel. Today will be the first concept that I'm going to discuss is counting figures. I'm just introducing the basics initially. Later we'll see the complex questions that have been asked in the exam. So counting figures. So there are basically two types of counting figures I'm going to use here, that is square and triangle. And in competitive exams also you can see they're going to use those type of figures only in complex way. So first let us see the basics of that. So here the basics diagrams I've done. We need to find a number of triangles in it. When I say this, basically what you will get in your mind, you will say this as 2. Am I right? So it's not like that. How to use the logic and the shortcuts to finish in 2-3 seconds? Very simple. Use my method. I'm gonna name it as 1 and 2. Okay? Listen carefully. I named here as 1 and 2. Add them. What is 1 plus 2? It gives us 3. 3 number of triangles. So logically. But how to see practically? 1, 2 and the complete one is considered to be 3. The same logic use here. 1, 2, 3. Add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives us how much? 6 number of triangles. When they give little complex like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much is the answer? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, but this is not the answer because in between the figures they have drawn one line here. This is one triangle and this one 1 and 2. What is 1 plus 2? It gives 3. The same logic as the first figure. So 1 plus 3 we need to add here. How much it is? 1 plus 3. Total 15 plus 1 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. But in exam they will give the option 15 also, 16 also, 19 also. You have to be very careful when the lines are given. Got it? Let us see the square based counting figures. Triangle based you got some little idea. Am I right? Let us see the square based figures. So just number it 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 you have twice it, that will be the answer. 4 2s are 8 will be the answer. These are the shortcuts. Instead of sitting and counting in exam how many triangles are there, you can use my shortcuts to solve it within 2-3 seconds. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2s are 16 is the answer for that figure. So let us see here. Inside one figure is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2s are 16. Similarly outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2s are 16. Total how many triangles are there? 32 triangles are there in the given figure. So these are the basic types of questions you're going to get in your competitive exams like NTSE, Olympiad or whatever. When you go for higher level like banking exams, whenever you go for IAS, KS, whatever the exams, they will be giving little complex type of sums. So when they give like this, a triangle inside a triangle. So how to use this? Please listen. A triangle inside a triangle, there is one logic. If one triangle is there like this, listen carefully, one triangle is there like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to draw it and put one line like this and write it 4 plus 1 which is nothing but 5. I repeat again, listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there. Why I have done plus 1? The complete triangle is there, right? Because of that plus 1. Same logic here. Listen carefully. Same logic here. One triangle. What we need to do? We have to do here. Same logic. What is that? 4 plus one more triangle. 4 plus the whole triangle 1. We will get answer as 9. Again I am going to repeat. When 2 triangles are there, 4 plus 1 is 5. When we have 3 triangles, for one line, and for this one I have put another line. 4 plus 4 and the outer one it is 1, 9. When we have 3, you already got an idea. What is the answer? Tell me now. One line 4, one more line plus 4 and this triangle one more line plus 4. and for outer one it is plus 1. So it will be 13. This will be 9. This will be 5. This is how we can solve the basics questions. So let us see the standardized question in a fraction of seconds. So here is the first one. I already said you the logic. A triangle, inside a triangle, put a line and write 4 plus this triangle plus 4, and for the complete triangle I said you to write 1. So basically the answer will be 9. Since they have drawn the line here 1 2 1 2 1 2. So 1 2 1 2 1 2, totally it will be 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Now you will arise it out. Sir, you said in the initial diagram when we draw like this we have to add 1 plus 2 is 3. But the total triangle only I included here as 4. Are you understanding, children? Total I would have written 3, right? But already I include here 4 4 4. Whenever I am including that, we should not include that triangle, only we need to add 1 2 1 2 1 2, that is 15. Now when they ask this type of question is very important for your competitive exams. So just you can number this method, you try to do it, children. This is one of the best method to solve it, this type of questions. So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So write that one below the other. 1 2 3. Listen carefully. Now write this 1 as it is. What is 1 plus 2? 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Add everything. Add everything. 6 plus 3 plus 1. You're gonna get 10. But my answer is not 10. So here alternatively I should leave some values. That is 6 1. I'm gonna cross it. Tick mark and cross it. Next, if it is right mark, then if it is there, cross mark. Now add that value. 10 plus 3, how much? So we get answer as 13. Now let us see one more model of that. You will understand it thoroughly now. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Now what we need to do? We need to add them. So when you add this, you will get 20. But 20 is not my answer. Cross mark, right mark, cross mark, right mark. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 20 plus 7 is how much? Answer is 27. Now you got the logic how to do. Leaving this, don't follow any other logic. You may get for 1 or 2 sums, but if you try to apply for all the types of triangles increasing, you will not get the answer. Follow this logic only. It's the very easiest way of doing. So let us see that there are 2 different types of sums with respect to square. The same logic initially I said 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 4 2s are? It is 8. But I have here 1 more and I have here 1 more. Right, but you can see here this is one triangle. So 1 and 1, that is 2. Similarly, opposite like this one triangle is there. That is 1 more 2. So you will get answer as 12. Understood? Got it? Got some idea? Now this is one of the complex type of question. We are going to split it into 3 parts. So let us see the first part here. Listen carefully, children. This is the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So 4 2s are 8. Next, 1 plus 1. That is 2. That is 10. And this is one triangle with a center line. What we need to do? We need to add 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So 13. The same figure we have up. The same figure. That means 13 and this is 13. What is 13 plus 13? 26. Now let us see the middle part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8. Add everything. 13 plus 8. Many children will think that answer is 34. Option will be there in your exam, but that is not possible. See the big figure. We have the big figure. Same 1 plus 2, 3. So add it, you will get answer as 37. For more interesting videos like this related to NTSE or Olympiad or whatever the doubts or queries you have related to any academic syllabus from grade 1 to grade 12, it can be anything. Kindly comment and keep on supporting our channel. Subscribe to my channel and keep on helping us to upload more and more videos. Thank you.